Oh, what do you know? 2 in a row. 1 right there. 1 right next to my finger.
Liam Out Loud. Liam Out Loud. Like a super awesome on Liam Out Loud.
Be sure to like and subscribe and click that notification bell. I'm freaking out!
Go visit Liam Out Loud!
Hi guys, it's me, Liam from Liam Out Loud, and today we are hunting for morels. I cannot wait to hunt for some morels, and we'll see if we find some. It's gonna be super awesome, but we're gonna have a good time if we find some or not. So, last year, Dad scored the points for the first morels. This year, I came back and rose. First 2 morels. We're gonna let them grow, and we are early. So, ho ho ho, I am super excited for what's to come this year. It's April the 10th, and who knows what's coming next.
A few days later.
So, I am trying to watch my step because Dad said there are lots of morels that he found around this area, actually. And last year, we actually did. This is one of our good spots, and wow, what a beautiful creek backdrop. But you know what? I don't really care. I just want to find some morels. So, let's look. All right. Tell me if you spot one in the comments. Yep, he told me I was getting warmer and warmer and warmer. Getting warmer every millimeter I move. And there she is. Hello, want to come with us? Oh, sure. Well, he just said that he wants to come with me. I don't have any scissors on me, so let's just do it the way that's opposed to it.
Hold it out on your hand there, Liam.
Got it. Caught it in its tracks.
What do you say?
It's awesome.
Did you bring a bag?
Oh, well, found some off camera actually. Now, let's add this one to the collection. Here. Oh, don't roll out.
Hold it up there so we can see what you got.
Got 4 nice morels.
All right.
Dude, they just told me to go back there. Dude, what is that?
What do you see?
A couple morels. I wondered why you were directing me this direction.
Now, do you want to pick them both or leave that baby?
I'll leave this one.
But you know what?
What?
They're starting to dry just a tad, so maybe we go on and take her. Okay? All right.
Pictures.
Still not bad.
Yeah, it's better than nothing, you know.
That one's pretty big. We'll hold that one out on your hand here in a minute.
And it's hollow, so that's a good sign. I don't see that many bugs in it.
Let's see it on your hand.
Compared to my hand, it's epic. And I'm growing quite a lot. I've had a growth spurt or 2 recently. And
It's as big as your hand
Yeah.
almost. What is that?
dibs and morels.
All right. Why don't you put your dibs down so you can hunt for the yummies.
Got
I'll let
I
I'll-
just
what?
straight ahead.
What?
Straight ahead.
Where?
Straight ahead.
See, that's why I let you go in front.
Yep.
Oh, wow.
And right there.
What?
And right there.
Where? That's a
Right
ba- Oh, wow.
Can you see
Alright.
that one?
There's one, and there's another.
Right. Let me pick that one.
Alright.
And the last time we hunted here, I used scissors, but right now,
What do you do?
Picking them like the pros.
Pinch them off at the base, huh? Lay them out on your hand.
One's a pretty good size too. Now let's check
Nice.
out this puppy.
They're probably all in here. Identify. We're on a little ash.
Yeah.
Little ash. And there's an elm way back there that slipped.
Yeah, that's where the sound's from. Yeah,
This
this
is-
one looks like it's starting to dry up.
Okay, yeah, we can take him if it's drying because it's supposed to snow in 2 days.
Mm.
Crazy Kentucky weather.
Aha!
Good job.
This one was playing hide and seek. I made a reference to my first mushroom hunting video. And guess what?
How's he feel,
Yeah.
dry or moist?
He feels kind of in between.
Okay, go ahead.
Dad nearly stepped on this one. He was like, what? Why are we not hitting?
What? Where? How many? You see more than one?
See, let's see one right there.
All right. Put that one in your bag.
There's them around
Where's
day.
this one at?
Just
Where?
If you go just a little bit ahead,
Oh.
you'll see it.
Point it. Huh? Oh, wow.
Found that one by myself. Or did you find that one?
I haven't seen that one.
Oh. This one feels partly dry, partly moist.
Okay, we'll rehydrate them.
Yeah.
This is off of right next to cedar and a ash tree, but there's some dead elm nearby, but these aren't on those.
Now, I'm gonna look around.
Yeah, we better look here. We're not even to the spot yet.
Yeah. And then we're probably, then we might, just might find some at the spot. We might. Just might find
With your
some beyond
eyes,
the spot.
we might find some here.
Finished all my dibs.
All right, here, let me have those. You go up there toward the bank a little bit more.
Oh, there's one right there.
Wow.
Now, let's look some more. Two more right there.
What? Where? Where?
There and there.
All right, I believe you. Oh, I see a little cluster there. There's two there, isn't there? All right, pick them.
All right. All right. Found quite a few. Oh, these are definitely starting to dry up.
Well, we'll get them before it snows in Kentucky on April the 20th, 21st.
That's just baloney. This one.
Cool. Did you say there was one behind you somewhere? I bet they're all in here. We gotta watch our step. Probably sitting on one right now.
Man.
Where?
Hey, Dad.
Follow you, cameraman.
Follow me.
Where you at, little boy?
Right here.
Where? Maybe we need to backtrack.
We are having a picnic. Yeah, that one's definitely starting to dry up.
He's out in the sun.
Now that's
A little water will take care of that.
yeah. Well,
What
salt
are we
water.
near?
My
Well, looky there. An old elm, but he's been gone so long, I'm surprised.
got a little pool.
It's all right. What do you got? Lay him out on your hand. He's pretty. See how pretty these are down here in this
Yeah.
spot? They are the model blondes.
Yeah, they reflect light.
Nice. All right.
I'm thinking
I'm going to pause.
now. This one's playing hide and seek too.
What? Oh, there's those eyes. Oh, good job.
You know, oh, that they do like May apples.
Right off a mossy ash.
If you've even heard of a morel, you've probably heard of a May apple.
Did you put him in there already?
Yep. Now let's go over here. Because I just found another.
What?
Yeah.
I'm glad you came.
Yeah. Mom offered dropping it off here. Glad I accepted that offer.
Oh, he's right under. Let me get a shot of that. Tell him what is he under. Look at that. That's a picture. Morel.
Look, you see these? These are May apples. They opened up like umbrellas. And if you're next to some moss, some ash trees,
Yeah, we're right off the
and some
little ash.
elm trees
Ash
are
trees right there.
slipping, hickory trees. You gotta try to find some. Oh no, I pulled it.
Not completely. He's fine. You can leave it. Don't mess your stem up. All right.
Getting a
You're
little.
going to give him a little back. Okay.
Yeah, that's what I've been doing if I pulls them.
Hold them out on your hand.
Got a good
Nice. Way to go, Liam. Turn.
one. All right.
Pausing it now, unless you see another one right at this moment, which you probably do.
You mean do not?
Well, we'll find another one, I bet you. All right. Pausing it.
I hope you enjoyed my video where I found 15 to 18 morel mushrooms. Now that's quite the haul. Be sure to like and subscribe, and remember, my next video is going to be super awesome. I wasn't expecting to find that many this year because it's been hit or miss in Kentucky. We found 2 in one of our spots, and then today we checked that spot, they were vanished. And then we found another one in that spot. But then we got full redemption. These big ones. Now, let's weigh them.
What are they?
These are the big blonde morel mushrooms. So let's weigh them. So let's put the bowl on. And let's turn it on. This will zero out the bowl. See? That 0. So let's add them in. Got 18 of them to add in. Picked a few off camera. Moving ounces for that one. Moving along. Oh. We are at 1 pound and 1.6 ounces. Oh wow, that's just awesome. 18 big morels with one little small one, but that one only contributed 0.1 ounces. But
Now, where are those morels going to go?
I don't know. In our stomach. It's gonna meet stomach acid. I like making that joke all the time. If you don't like the weather in Kentucky, wait until tomorrow, because it's going to be different. We're going to get snow. Snow way. It's almost May. And found these before the snow. Be very careful if you're cutting these morels. If you need an adult, ask an adult. Got one right there. Don't need me. Hi, Mr. Cameraman. Okay, Dad.
Hey,
Okay.
buddy.
So,
Who taught you how to hold a knife? Not your dad.
definitely
There you go.
not,
Saw it.
not exactly the best at doing this, but at least we got these morels halved.
Now what are we going to do?
Cook them!
In what?
Butter. Let's pop these puppies in. Letting them sizzle. I like watching things sizzling. They're sizzling. Time to get out the first rounds they've cooked of the 2021 season. They're still bubbling outside of the pan. We got the first fried morels of the 2021 season. Fried in butter, salt and pepper. See how this tastes.